Are you ready to discover the art of dressing with a feminine style that highlights your essence for any occasion? A feminine style isn't just about looking good. It's a personal expression that communicates elegance, confidence, and charm without needing to go overboard. Whether you're a fan of subtle details or you love a more romantic touch, today we'll explore how you can transform your style in a simple and natural way. From the types of clothing to the small accessories that make a big difference. 1. Understand the spectrum of femininity. Femininity encompasses a wide range of styles, from elegant and understated to romantic and bold. By understanding this spectrum, you can find the style that best aligns with your personality or the event you're preparing for. A classic style, like that of Coco Chanel, is characterized by clean lines and neutral colors, whereas a romantic style includes ruffles, lace, and soft fabrics. This flexibility lets you explore various options and find a feminine style that reflects who you are and how you want to present yourself. For instance, a chic, minimalist outfit can convey sophistication, while a floral, flowy dress radiates a soft, romantic charm. Exploring the spectrum of femininity helps create a wardrobe that's versatile and distinctly yours. 2. Incorporate dresses and skirts. Dresses and skirts are quintessential feminine pieces. While pants can also be stylish, a dress or skirt brings a natural air of delicacy and sophistication. These garments can work for nearly any occasion, be it a formal event, a casual outing, or even daily errands. Dresses aren't just for summer either. A cozy sweater dress can be equally charming in winter. Experimenting with lengths and styles, from A-line to pencil skirts, lets you find the perfect look for every season and occasion. Never underestimate the power of a skirt or dress to instantly add a feminine touch to your look. 3. Seek a flattering fit. A key element of feminine style is clothing that fits well. Unlike men's clothing, which tends to be looser, feminine attire often enhances the silhouette without being overly tight. A good fit highlights your natural curves, projecting elegance without sacrificing comfort. Think of a tailored women's blazer versus a men's. While both are structured, the women's cut follows the body's lines for a graceful look. Remember, the difference between a flattering fit and something too tight is comfort. Femininity shines brightest when you feel free to move. Perfecting the fit of your clothes is essential to achieving a refined feminine style. 4. Pay attention to necklines. The neckline is an essential detail in any feminine look. Necklines like V-necks, high necks, or one-shoulder styles can add sophistication and frame the face beautifully. There's also the famous off-the-shoulder look, which instantly elevates any outfit. Choosing a neckline that suits the occasion and matches your comfort level can truly transform your look. For example, a square neckline gives a touch of vintage elegance, while a sweetheart neckline brings softness. Each style subtly draws attention to the neck and face, adding allure to your ensemble. 5. Feminine colors and textures. Color plays a major role in feminine style. Shades of pink, from blush to fuchsia, are iconic, but pastel tones like lavender, pale blue, and mint green also add a delicate touch. Textures like silk, satin, and lace provide a feeling of softness and elegance, making any garment feel more feminine. Picture a silk blouse in a soft pastel color. It's not only delicate to look at, but also luxurious to the touch. Choosing these colors and textures enhances the overall femininity of an outfit and makes you feel more polished and refined. 6. Add details to your clothing. Details can make a significant difference in achieving a feminine look. Elements such as ruffles, bows, drapes, and pleats can transform a basic piece into something special. These details not only add visual interest, but also soften clothing lines, creating a more romantic or elegant look. Even if you prefer darker colors or neutrals, these details can provide a perfect finishing touch that makes your feminine style stand out. The right detail, like a delicate bow on a blouse or a pleated skirt, can bring subtle sophistication without overpowering your outfit. 7. Choose feminine shoes. Shoes play an essential role in feminine styling. While heels are often the go-to, they're not the only option. Pointed toe flats or ankle strap shoes add a delicate touch without sacrificing comfort. In summer, espadrilles or strappy sandals are feminine and breezy options. The key is to choose footwear that complements your look and adds elegance, avoiding bulky or overly masculine styles. From classic pumps to ballet flats, there's a feminine shoe option for every occasion, allowing you to feel stylish without compromise. 8. Accessories, the final touch. Accessories are the final detail that can elevate any outfit and add that extra feminine touch. Delicate jewelry, such as fine rings, subtle bracelets, or layered necklaces, is perfect for adding femininity without overwhelming. Handbags and hair accessories, like satin headbands or ribbons, bring a touch of sophistication to any look. And don't overlook the power of perfume. A floral or fruity fragrance can complement your outfit and add an invisible layer of femininity. Thoughtful accessories ensure a polished, refined, and uniquely personal finish to your style. What did you think of these tips? Let me know in the comments. If you want to learn more interesting insights like the ones in this video, I encourage you to join us by subscribing to the channel, giving this video a like, and sharing your thoughts on the content. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.